So, oh, I keep going out of focus. So, it is 7 o'clock-ish in the morning. I know it's a Wednesday. So basically, this is the first episode in what I'm hoping will be a vlog series of random days at university, the life of a musical theatre student. I really wanted to do a week in the life, but for me, because of my schedule and how hectic it is, it's just kind of unrealistic to do that. So I'm doing random individual vlog days, and I really hope you guys will like it. It's going to be called the University Vlogs. I know, very creative. This is episode 1, and the reason I'm filming today is because Wednesdays are when the 3 companies of third year split off into their groups and commission go somewhere else, and today we are doing the Benchball tournament. So for a little bit of context, at the University of Chichester, when you get into your 3rd year on the triple threat course, you split into 3 groups: tour, commission and festival. And tour, go and do a southeast tour with a musical in like April, May time. Festival, do a local circuit of a different show, and that's like after tour and commission. And commission, which is the one I'm on, is where we create a brand new show, completely devised. It's top secret, not even the audience know where they're going. They get taken there on a bus, and then they have an immersive theatrical experience. So like a lot of the time, like in the years previously, it's been promenade, so you walk around to watch the show, and it's usually scary. Like it's usually kind of like a horror-esque type thing, or like a thriller type thing, but obviously I can't tell you any information about this year's. So on Wednesdays is when commission go off and we practice, but we don't do it on site, so to keep it even more secret, so we go somewhere else and we basically rehearse, we create this show. And so that's what we're doing today. So I won't be able to vlog much of what we're actually doing today. However, this evening is the annual Benchball tournament. Now if you go to my university, you'll know this is a very big deal. Between the 3 companies, we have a massive Benchball tournament, and it's very competitive. There's a trophy involved. Last year several mirrors got broken, people play very dirty, there's hackers, there's dancing, there's costumes, and it's just a really big deal, and it's something fun that you look forward to doing in 3rd year. So I'm really excited about it. And commission won last year for the first time, so we're trying to keep our title. I think we've got a good chance. We've got a strong team, so I'm going to be vlogging that. I want to make it as cool and dramatic as possible. I'll do some interviews and show you guys like what we're doing and stuff, and I think it's going to be really fun. So hopefully you guys enjoy this, and you'll enjoy the rest of this series, because this is my last semester at uni, and I felt like it was a shame that I hadn't really vlogged more, and I know a lot of you wanted to see this kind of thing, so here we are.
Dancing for warmth.
How's everyone this fine morning?
Cold. Ready? I'm so cold! Oh, cheesecake!
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. I'm very excited. Thank you. Ah! Great. Yeah, this is what we're doing. So we're going to do it in a triangle at the beginning, because I always do it. Let's just shoot. So weird.
So this is where Lomax, do you want to give us a kitchen tour?
Black tea, sorry?
Kitchen tour, go.
Kitchen tour. Hi, so welcome to the kitchen. This is the commission box. We have some lovely Yorkshire tea, and some lovely mugs, and some hot chocolate, which no one's actually cracked open yet.
Oh, that's interesting.
Loads.
Boom.
Has that been Oreo cheesecake?
Just move it, like, to your hip. Drop if you feel like it.
Throw me in the air.
Yeah, so this way, go that way. We get to a line.
and focused. Getting ready for the competition. Our outfits are clearly goat themed, and I'm now going to draw a nose on Liv here.
A cross-eyed goat.
It's a cross-eyed goat. How's everyone feeling? Excited? Ready to fight.
Sheepish. Yeah.
A bit sheepish.
Yeah, same sort of family.
We're supposed to be rams, I believe. That's what we're going for.
Is that my morning bit? Devil shit? I don't think so.
Can you tell me a bit about tour?
My name is Ben and I am lucky. Stick!
Welcome to Monte Carlo, where your lucky devils
ever do him, do they?
Someone needs to let Tor have a go with the ball because they haven't got a go. We love it, festival!
So my camera's about to die, we're out of focus. Basically, we lost dramatically because we are too short to play bench ball. However, we did post on the Facebook page.
Festival have never ever in the history of benchball won a game.
And they won a game! But yeah, so I got to go because my camera's going to die. But we posted on Facebook a picture of us with the trophy, so everyone thinks we won. Okay, goodbye.